Hi guys, this is Romel and I'm doing my technology club reflection. And so what is technology? Well, for some people, most people think that it's laptops and it's iPads and phones and cameras and self-driving cars, and they are right, but there's more than just to that technology. And so with technology, it comes with data. And so data, so like Facebook, it stores social media's information, and so the information is stored in companies, and companies try and keep it private, but some companies get hacked, and so private information get out. And so with technology comes with a little bit of responsibility that you have. And so technology can be found in a dryer, in a stove that you cook your ramen on, since I'm a college student, and your refrigerator. It could be found in your printer. It could be found security cameras, anything that receives information and gives out information. And so I worked at Meadowlark Elementary School for my technology club, and so I was placed there because I worked there and I knew most of the kids and knew the staffs, and so it was really good since I was comfortable with the kids and the kids were comfortable with me. And so Melissa had an easier time working with the kids since I knew the kids, and just the kids had a better time, I think, than rather have new student teachers in. And so this was a really good experience. And so we would go into a cafeteria kind of like this, and we would set up two tables, and the kids would have partners, and then we would have them in partners because I wanted them to share and learn how to share and how to cooperate with another person. And so technology is used not just by yourself, but with others. So it's interaction with others. And so we would give them their topics and then the lessons, and then we would have them take out this kit, and then I would have them take turns in buildings. So these are steps, and so the steps are quite easy. And so if the kids need visuals, and that there's an iPad that we have that have the instruction on it, and so that's one technology that they're using. And there's also technology in these bins. And so I think that with this comes in mind, it reminds me of this Lego movie, and it's pretty cool since they're definitely using technology in here, and it's a movie, and the kids love it because Legos are super fun and you can be imaginative with it. And so just as Lego you can be imaginative with, with just these pieces, anything can be created. And so technology, anything can be created. So thank you guys, and I hope that this is